Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set up this new QFS wallet for yourself. So this website has a feature of sending crypto, receiving crypto, and also you can also still transfer crypto here. Alright, so in this video I'm showing you guys how you can set up this website for yourself, how you can manage it, and how you can use it for yourself. So as you can see now, this is the front end of the website. You can see the design and the layout have actually done for you perfectly. So there's no need to stress yourself about adding contents and all that because that's done for you already. See all the images and everything done for you. Alright, so see the colors, everything is perfect. So you can see here and all that. Alright, so let's just log into our account here. Or before we do that, let me just take you through all the pages. Okay, we have the about us page here. We have the service here. This is service. Okay, wallet security, stolen asset recovery, connect your wallet, and all that here. Alright, so just log into our account real quick. So just click on login. Click on login here. Alright. Alright, so we can see here. Once you put in your details and all that here, to take it straight to this dashboard here, as you can see, perfect. So we have our wallet ID here. So each user has their own unique ID for transfer. So we have buy, we have withdraw, we have transfer. All right, so you can see my Bitcoin balance $60 is how much it's worth and all that here. You can see that. All right, so let's just start from withdraw. Let's click on withdraw. All right, so just select the crypto you want to use. So I want to use Bitcoin because that's what I like to use. So I'll put in $10 here. All right, so the address I want to withdraw to, then my QFS card pin. So just want to, okay, then click on withdraw. All right, and so we just wanted to transfer ID over. All right, so perfect. So your withdrawal has been processed. So once it's being processed, the money will be sent directly to the wallet address actually placed there. All right, so that is just that for that. So we have transfer. All right, so click on transfer here. So to transfer, we just have to select the same crypto you want to use. So there's Bitcoin, Ethereum, TRC20, ARC20, Doge, Solana, Bitcoin, Coin, that's BNB. Then we have Litecoin. So I'll choose Bitcoin again. So what you have to do here is to put your receiver wallet ID here. I don't actually have any user receiver ID, so you can put the amount here. So basically what you have to do is that each user has their own wallet ID. This wallet ID is what you are supposed to put here when you want to send to the receiver. All right, so that's just that. Just that's like an internal transfer kind of logic here. So well, that is just that for that. So what we have next to do, we have, let me just go back real quick. Okay, just wait for it to load. All right, so we have to test the, okay, through done withdraw transfer. All right, so we have to click on connect wallet. All right, so you can connect wallet here. Okay, so you can connect your wallet here. So you just put in the phrase, wallet phrase, just paste that there. After placing that there, then just click on connect. All right, you can see wallet connected successfully and all that here. All right, perfect. So we have what we have next to do. Okay, let's go back. We want to click here. All right, so we have done all this. So you can also see request for card if you want. So this card here, just click on card. All right, so there are three different options of card here. You have QFS, brown card, silver card, and gold card. So I want to go for the silver card. Just click on silver card here. All right, you can see here I have my card details here. This is the card number, the user, the name, then the expiration date, and the CVC at the back here. All right, so that is just that. So I also have my bronze card here. All right, And see, this is it here and all that. So that's just that for that. So let's check our profile out and see. So you can see your profile, your username, your email, your password, and all that here. So basically, this is just how the user dashboard works. So next thing I want to take you know now is to show you guys how you can actually use the admin to control this particular website. So let's log into our admin real quick. So this is our admin here. Once you log into your admin, take you straight to this dashboard here. All right. So here you can see users, transactions, cards, send mail to users, view user phrase. So let's just click on users. All right. Click on users. Here you can see the total number of users on this particular platform. All right. So you can choose to fund their account or whatever you want to do them. So you just click on next and we look for my account here. So this is my account here. So just click on this here. So you can just go. So I want to fund my account. So click on fund. All right. All right. So you want to fund my Bitcoin balance, my Ethereum balance, my RTC balance, and all that. So I want to fund my Bitcoin balance with about let's say $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So just click on. All right. So just try again. All right. So should reload that real quick. All right, because the balance are updated successfully. Okay. All right, so that's just how you can actually fund your user account. So you can also see the details of this particular user here. All right, so you can see the email, the full name, the country, the username, the password, and the pin. You can also see update the details here if you choose to do that. All right, so we can also see choose to delete this particular user, or if you want to do that, okay, you just click here, click on delete, and this user will be deleted from here. All right, so next one we'll do now is click on transactions. All right, click on transactions real quick. Okay, so you can see all the transactions on this particular website here. You can see the ones that are pending, the date it was submitted, the currency, the type. This is actually investment. All right, investment. So let's go to the last page. Okay, let's go to the last page real quick. All right, this is the last page here. You can see deposit, and all that here. All right, so you can choose to approve anyone we want to do. So we have, let's see this real quick. Let's go back to the first page. All right, so we have this here. So let's say this is pending. So you can just click on that, click on view. All right, click on view. You can see this here, transactional ID, the email, $200 pending. Okay, you can just click on approve. All right. Transactions are successfully. All right, just click on that, and transaction has been approved. That, so that is all that for that. So we have cards here. All right, card. You can click on to approve this particular card. The same thing. You can see card status are related to active. Okay. All right. So all these card users are actually active already. So once anyone is pending, you see pending here, you just have to actually just approve or decline this particular card. All right, that's that for that. So click out now send mail. All right, so you can send mail to a particular user. All right, you can see all the users here. You can just send mail. So I'm going to send mail to this user. That's my account. Just put in the name. You can say test. All right, so you can just say subject test. Then I just put in you the write up here. You can actually see style it. You can style the write up. You can make it bold and all that here. Make it bold. See it's bold. Then you can also see highlight it and all that here. So then once you are done with that, just click on submit. So that's that for this particular session. So we have view users phrase. All right, so this way you can actually see all the user phrase on this particular website here. So you can see this user here. All right, so let's go down. This user here, you can see the phrase of the user. You can see the owner, that's the email of the user that has this phrase, user admin. Then this is the phrase here, and you can just see it here. All right, so basically this is how this place works. So next part new is to change your password. All right, so you can change your password for the admin. You can change it here and change that. Yeah, so basically this is how the admin dashboard actually works. So Next time we'll tell you guys how you do this, how you can set up this platform for yourself and how you can install it for your clients. All right, so basically, once you have gotten your cPanel, the domain name and hosting, you'll be given your cPanel details. If you don't know how you can get your cPanel details, just contact the number in video description below to get your domain name and hosting. So after you've gotten that, you log into your cPanel, take you straight to this dashboard here. All right, so what we're going to do now is to click on File Manager. Okay, File Manager. For this, I already have a subdomain here that I will use for this. All right, so click on public underscore HTML. All right. So normally I have a lot of files here. You can see all these files are actually inside a folder. You can see this. This are inside a folder. You can see all these are inside a folder. So normally, if you don't want to upload in a folder, you're supposed to upload the file here like this. That's what you want. But since it's just a test purpose, I will upload this in a folder. Yeah, just let me look for. Okay, let me look for it. I think I have it here. Let's see. Let's see. All right, so I have it here. This is a subdomain. This is actually a subdomain. So test1.webtel.com.ng is a subdomain. Just click on that. So what we're going to do now is to actually upload our file in here. So just click on upload. All right. Click on select file. We're actually going to select this file where it's saved on our computer. All right. So just wait for it to load. All right. So okay, just wait for it to load. All right, so this file will be in our download because I just downloaded this. All right, let's see. All right, it's loading. Just wait for it to load. All right, so it's finished loading. So just look for the file here. Okay, QFS global. Click on that. Click on open. All right, so just wait for that to process. All right, so you should see the file uploading here now. All right, you can see it has started uploading. So you just have to wait for it to finish uploading. So once you get to the ending, to show a green color. So if you show a blue color and it show 100%, just wait for it to show a green color before you actually cancel anything. Yeah, so just have to wait for it to finish uploading. So the file is not that large, so let's just wait. All right, so while that's uploading, we should. Okay, let's just wait. Let us wait for it to finish uploading. All right, let's just wait for it to finish uploading. All right, so all right, it's kind of slow. Okay, it has almost finished uploading. It's 5% now. So, right, just wait. I want to show you guys what I mean by if it gets to 100, you just have to wait for it to show green. So 81 now. Okay. All right, so you can see now it's showing blue. You just have to wait for it to show green. Let's just wait. You can see it has finished uploading successfully. So you can just cancel this here. Don't need that again. So just reload the year. Reload. You'll see the zip file here. All right, just click on click on it, click on extract. All right, so basically let's just do it like this. Let's do it like this. All right, so let's also click on extract here. Extract. All right. All right, that's finished extracting. Close this. Just reload this page back. Then click on this particular folder. You can see all the folders here. So what you have to do now is just to move this outside. So select all. Click on move. So since this is for just a test work, so I'll actually move the file into my subdomain. I can see my subdomain is test1 at .webtech.com.ng. So if I want to access this file now, to access this file now will be test1.webtech.com.ng slash QFS global. I don't want it like that. I want it to be test1.webtech.com.ng to actually access this particular website. So just remove this here. So if you want to upload yours in the main domain, the main directory, just have to clean this off like this. This being the main domain. So it just says webtech.com.ng, you actually load this file up. So I don't want that. So I want it to be in the subdomain. Just click on that, click on move. Alright, so just have to go back here. We don't need this again. Just delete this. Alright, delete. Confirm that. Alright, so there's an installation guide here. Let's just open that real quick so we can actually know what we are doing. Okay, upload your file in zip file. I've done that. I've done this. Create a new database. Let's create our database real quick. To create a database, come here, search for DB Wizard. Click on that. Click on DB Wizard. All right. Then, what are the name of database? In database is QFS test. Just say QFS test one. Click on next. You can actually name it anything, but I like naming it the name of the website I'm actually uploading. So you can just still do that if you want. So let's wait for it to load. Alright, so the username, I like using the same database name as the username. So just copy this. Then, so username will be this. So actually the same thing. Then my password will be this. So username, password, DB name, username, and the password are actually the same thing. So it's easy for me to set it up. That's what I like doing. So you can choose to still do that if you want to do that. So let's wait for it to load. Alright, so okay, it's loading. You can see allow all privileges. Click on that. Click on make changes. Alright. Okay. So after doing that, they say to set up our database, go to logic folder, edit connection.php to set database. Alright. So let's okay, this has finished creating. So let us do that first. Go to logic folder, logic, click on logic. Okay. Click on connection.php. Click on that. Then let's set up our details. Alright, so this paste this here, paste this here. Alright, sorry. Username should be this, password should be this, the same thing. That I said I like using the same thing. Then DB name should be this. So host should be localhost, should be left like that. Alright, so to set up our to set up the admin email, then to set up the site name here, the site URL, you should just paste that here. Then the host site short name, just paste that here too. Then so your card name, you can put it here. Then this part here is to set up your payment details. So your Bitcoin address for making deposit, just put that there. Ethereum address for making deposit, put that here. Just edit all this. So once you're done doing that, don't forget to click on save here. Click on save. Alright. After clicking on save, then let's check out the installation guide. After doing that, alright, to set up our payment in the connection.php, we should show that already. To set up our SMTP, logic folder, edit SMTP.php. Right. So to edit SMTP so that users can receive mail when they register on the site, when they perform activities on this website. So SMTP is this one here. Just right click, then click on edit. Then set up according to your details, your host, your host, that's your domain name with HTTPS, your email, your webmail details. I'll show you guys how to create a webmail soon. Put your webmail username here, your password, the port is 465, then put the email here, then the name of your website, you can just put that here. So to create an email, let's show you guys how to create an email real quick. All right, so click here, click on email, search email account, click on email account. All right, just as once here finish loading, click on create here. Okay, I have some email here already, so just click on create, then just select. If it's the main domain you uploaded the file, this will be main domain. But if it's a subdomain you uploaded the file, see, I created mine was in the subdomain, so I have to look for that particular subdomain, which was let's say it was test one. Click on test one, then put the email here, the username. Then it should be maybe support or something. I just say support, then support at test1.website.com.ng, then put your password here. After I've done that, click on create. Then inside this SMTP part, you're going to put support at test1.website.com.ng there, or according to your own details. So next what we'll do now is to upload our SQL file in our database. All right, SQL file is inside here, SQL. Then click on download this, download. All right, let's wait for that to finish downloading. Okay, it has finished downloading. Then to upload our SQL files, come back here, search for PHP my admin. Look at it here. Click on that. Click on that. All right, just wait. Okay, just wait for it to load. Actually have to upload our SQL file so users can register. Users' accounts can be registered on this particular platform. Okay, while that's loading, let's check out our installation guide. Let's see what we have there to do. Okay, the PHP version should be 7.4. I'll show you guys how you can set that too. Just wait. So let's look at our database we created. I have a lot of database here. So it was QFS test one. Okay, click on that. Make sure you click on the particular database you created. Okay, okay. I've not uploaded any data SQL file yet. That's why you can see it's blank like this. So what you have to do now is click on import. All right, click on import. Just wait for it to load. It's loading. Okay. Once it finishes loading, click on browse. We actually have to select that SQL file that already does now in our computer. So this is it here. 81. All right. So click on open. Then click on import. Once you click on import, once that's finished importing, you select a green success message here which said that's finished uploading your SQL file. So while that is loading, let me show you guys how you can set up a PHP version, because the recommended page version for this particular website is 7.4. So click on this here, search for PHP multi-PHP manager here, look at it here, or PHP version. It's actually the same thing you have to do for the two. PHP version or multi-PHP manager, click on multi-PHP manager, click on that. Alright, so we have to take our PHP version for this to 7.4. 7.4, so just wait for it to load. Alright, so we have to look for that subdomain I created. Okay, subdomain I created, so let me just increase this to 50. Alright, just wait for it to load. Right, so we have test one. So this is test one here. Test one, then click on 7.4, then click on apply. So this is how you can set up your PHP version for this particular website. So we also, if you upload it in the main domain, this is the main domain here. You can just click on that and also follow the same process. You can see successful update to 7.4. All right, perfect. So you just have to wait for this SQL to finish uploading. So finish uploading, we see a success green message here that finished uploading. So if you follow this step of this video, you should be able to set this website for yourself, and you can see it's very easy to set up. So that's all for this video, and see you in the next one. Bye for now.